Ori. Come so you can get ready to eat. Come on. You ready to eat? Come here. Come on so you can eat. Good boy. Hi, peace seekers. Welcome back to the channel. I'm LJ, and this is my beautiful granddaughter, Addison. Addison is going to accompany me today while we test out the new Hydrofast water filtration system. It is a reverse osmosis system. So I received the filtration system about a week ago. So I've had a week to test this out. And I can honestly say I have completely enjoyed it. The water is smooth, it's clean, it's clear. I can definitely taste the difference from this water and the water in the refrigerator as well. The water in the refrigerator that's coming out of the refrigerator has this little grit, like taste to me. But I'm gonna let Addison taste it because she have not tasted the water from the Hydrofast and the water from the refrigerator. So she does not know the difference. And you know what they say, children don't lie. So we're going to let her put this Hydrofast to the test. What I enjoy about it is the fact that it is portable and I can take it with me. I've been on the van for the last 2 weeks while the RV was in the shop. And I have taken it on the van with me when me and Ori go out and go walking. I've also been giving him this water every day as well. Stick around to the end of the video. You'll get to see how much he likes the Hydrofast water. It's actually delicious. Again, I like the fact that you can put the temperature at 8 degrees so you get kind of a cooler water. So that's a plus for me, and the portable of it as well. Clean water is a must. With this here, you can actually take, if you're in your RV, you can take the water from a hydrant. You can even take the water from a faucet, from a sink. And in 5 minutes, this will have it filtered out and you will get perfectly clean water. Let's go ahead and test Addison and see how she does. I'm going to get the water from the refrigerator first. You can't look. Cover your eyes. Okay, keep them covered. And I am going to get the water from the Hydrofast. No cheating. Okay. Okay, we're gonna sit these 2 glasses of water here. And we're not gonna let her know which one is which while those are getting room temperature, because I want them to be the same temperature. One of them is a little cooler than the other right now. So I'm gonna wait and let these 2, I know which is which. I'm gonna wait and let these get room temperature. One thing the Hydrofast has encouraged me to do is to go on a water fast, something I need because I'm so bloated. So I will be going on a water fast, and I will be making me some different waters to drink. In these waters, we'll be incorporating lemon, and we will be incorporating cucumber as well. So we're gonna cut up our lemon and we're gonna cut up our cucumber. We're gonna put my water in these jars. So I'm gonna make me 3 mason jars of water. I'm gonna keep these in the refrigerator so I can drink throughout the day to flush my body out. So while our water is getting room temperature, we'll start preparing the cucumber and the lemon that I've already washed. I'll start cutting it up so we can go ahead and fill these up with the Hydrofast. Let's get this cut up and we'll be right back.
What can I open?
You can. And with these lemon and cucumber, I'll get my waters made up today, but I won't start drinking on them for at least 24 hours. I'll give the cucumber and the lemon a chance to soak into this. Where's Ori? Wow.
Right here.
There's Ori, the infamous Ori. It definitely had to always be in the mix of something.
You can't eat lemons, okay? Or cucumbers.
So Addison, what have you been doing since school has been out?
Watching my iPad and reading.
Reading? What have you been reading?
Chapter books.
Oh, so you to chapter books. Already? Do y'all read chapter books in school?
I do.
You do? You like to read? That's good. That's good. Do you know reading helps to stimulate your brain? It makes you smart. You should always read.
Every time at school when we get free time, I read a book instead.
I can't hear you. Speak louder.
Every time there's free time at school, instead I read a book.
You read a book? That's smart. You're going to be a very smart girl. What do you want to be when you grow up? Have you thought about it? Oh.
A teacher.
A teacher. That's a good thing. That's good. We need more teachers. I always need somebody to teach somebody something. So we have got our vegetables.
It smells sour.
It smells sour. So we have got our vegetables cut up, and Addison says it smells sour.
The lemons do.
The lemons is gonna cut this fat off of your nana, cause your nana is. Look at this. We're gonna work on this, cause we getting ready to go on vacation, and I ain't taking this.
I want to do it too.
Okay, so what we're about to do before we do our water and before we mix up everything, we're going to test this water, and we're gonna see what Addison has to say about the different waters. So I'm gonna show you guys which is which before I let her taste it. Close your eyes. Okay. I don't know. Okay. I do know. Okay. So this one is the Hydrofast. This one is the refrigerator. So let's see which one we're gonna give her first. Okay. Open your eyes. Taste this one. Get you a good swallow of it. Drink some more, because you got to tell me the difference. Okay. That's our first one. This is the second one. Can you tell the difference? You can tell the difference? Okay, so tell me the difference in the two.
This one's colder and this one's not colder.
Okay, this one is colder and this one is not colder. Any other difference? Taste it one more time. So how does it go down your throat? Is it smooth? Does it have a taste to it? Can you taste anything in it?
It feels smooth.
It's smooth. Okay, let's try this. What is that one?
It feels smooth like this one.
They say kids don't lie. For me, I'm gonna let her test me and see if I can tell the difference. I bet I can tell the difference. So those are her two, and I'm gonna let her give me two. I'm gonna turn around. You fix me two. Fix me one out the refrigerator and one out of here, and I'm not gonna look, okay? And then I'm gonna test them. Okay, go. That's enough. Match the bubble. That's enough. Okay, sit them beside each other.
Okay, did it.
You ready? Okay, she says she's ready. And now I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna be able to tell the difference. I know I can because yes I am. Because I've been trying this all week. That's what has led me to do this water fast. So watch me tell the difference. And I'm gonna be able to. This came from the refrigerator. This came from the refrigerator.
You sure?
I know it did. Let me taste this one. No. This one came from the refrigerator. This one came from the Hydrofast. Yeah. I knew I could tell the difference. So I probably should have tasted them both before I spoke. That's why they say think before you speak. This definitely came from the refrigerator. And I can tell because it has that little grit taste to it.
Grit?
So you know how when you eat cornbread and it has that little rough taste to it, that rough texture? That's what I'm getting from this. It has a rough texture. This doesn't have it. It's more smooth. Could you tell the difference? So the one out the refrigerator has a little rough texture to it, and it's coming straight out the refrigerator's filter. And with the Hydrofast, you do not get any of that. As I stated, this Hydrofast has encouraged me to go on a water fast. Not a complete water fast. I'm gonna do salads in between, but it definitely has encouraged me to pick up the intake of my water. I am someone that personally does not drink a lot of water. I do not like water.
I like water.
You do? I don't like water. If you look at any of my videos, I'm busting open a Sprite, and that's my main problem is that Sprite. So this has encouraged me to go on this water fast. Thank you, Hydrofast, for sponsoring this video for my granddaughter, Addison, and I. We're about to go ahead and we're about to make these cucumber and lemon waters. Put them in the refrigerator so they can get chilled. I'm going to drink on these. I'm going to do this for at least 30 days to see how it works out. I have the honor of keeping Addison for the next couple of weeks while her parents work. She has to stay with me because her brother went to stay with his other grandmother in Arkansas, and she didn't want to go. Why didn't you want to go?
Because I didn't know that AJ was going to go swimming.
Okay, so why did you want to stay here with me?
Because it's fun here.
I'm the fun nana. With that being said, until next time, stay blessed up. Make sure you get your Hydrofast reverse osmosis system today. There is no installation required. It's very portable and you can take it anywhere. There's a link in the description box below to get to the website. There's also a discount code where you get 10% off if you get yours now. Thank you. Keep in mind, peace is priceless.